Hello everyone, so I hope you have taken my silver signal of the last week and bought it exactly at 30.187. This was really a good signal, and so far running in around, we can see almost 100 pips of profit. Congratulations for those who have taken this signal. Please share with us in the comments if you have done, if you took it. And again, before we continue, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So the silver is still rising, and by looking at the daily chart right now, and if we just squeeze the chart like that, so right now we can see clearly that we do have right here, of course, a channel that indeed being respected. Fantastic. So right now what we can see right here, of course, is a real level of a support trend line, one fake breakout in the middle, and the same level of a real support trend line has indeed been respected. And from the top side, we can see here, of course, a resistance trend line number one became a support trend line, and again resistance trend line, and finally been respected. So this channel has indeed been broken out from last week with these two daily candles. Fantastic. It means that the pair right now is most likely going to continue the rise. Not only that, but also right now we can see clearly here also a broken level of a resistance trend line. Check this out. Fantastic. Another level of a resistance trend line has indeed been broken out from and already been retested as a new supported trend line. All of that tells us that the silver is going to continue the rise, and most likely it will continue the rise directly toward our take profit level. So the silver still has around 140 pips more to go. So what exactly we can do next with this pair, and where we can rebuy it again? First of all, I would like to delete my old buy order, and I will keep the same take profit level. Let's just now move to the 1 hour time frame to see these things that we actually couldn't see in detail in the bigger time frame. So right now what we have right here, if I actually measure this structure right now here, we have here, of course, a Fibonacci retracement, and check this out. So the pair has actually been rejected to make a bearish breakout from Fibonacci 61.8 at 30.930. Now, in my opinion, that will be actually the best level to rebuy the silver again if it ever gonna go to continue the fall to retest that level. Now, we just need another sort of confirmation to buy the silver exactly at that point. Where exactly we can find this confirmation? Again, let's just squeeze the chart like that. Lowering the price scale, or as I'm calling it, squeezing the chart, gives us actually a way better view on the market. Now, let me just show you something here. We have, of course, here, first of all, a support trend line. As you can see, let me just connect the real levels of support trend line just like that. Fantastic. Check this out. Exactly. So right now here we have support trend line number 1, 2, 3, 4 became a resistance trend line. Then again, after the bullish breakout happened, the same level of a support trend line has indeed been respected. Support trend line number 1, 2, and then if the market will continue the fall, most likely it will create support trend line number 3. And that is going to be our entry, and hopefully the gold is going, the silver will respect that area and continue the rise. So therefore, I would actually like to buy the silver exactly at this level, right there exactly, at 30.921, and keeping, of course, the same take profit level, which is going to be exactly right there at 32.528, aiming around 160 pips of profit. Now for the safe zone, this safe zone in this case should not actually be ranging lower than the real level of a support right here, exactly right there at 30.325. Why? Because we are actually mainly relying on the previous level of a support trend line, as we have stated earlier, plus of course the Fibonacci 61.8. So if the silver is ever going to be able to continue to fall below that level of a support trend line, then guess what? We are looking for a long term of shorting the silver, and most likely it will continue the fall toward 261.8, and after that it will continue the rise again. So therefore, let's just make sure that we shouldn't actually keep the trade running if it's going to continue the fall toward that level of a support. So buying the silver at 30.921, and that's gonna be everything for the silver. Now, of course, you might tell me it's not really worth a video, does it? Well, maybe. I'm just actually feeling entertaining myself doing these videos, and I think it's almost very important that we can actually interact with each other, especially of course in the comments. And of course, my friends, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this silver signal. Again, yes indeed, do not trade alone. Always make sure to join Xtreme Trader team, to join with the team, and make sure to receive any updates about these signals. Of course, you can find the link to join in the description below of this video, and also you can look it up here, Xtreme Trader signals. But just please make sure that you are looking for the right channel and avoid the scammers who using our name and logo pretending to be us. So that's gonna be it, my friends. I'm really so excited for tomorrow, and I believe we are going to make a lot of profits together. So until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.